Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yeah, so moving on, this is part 2 of part 5 of the, this brave detective telling us, of the corrupt police officers in the Jamaica Constabulary Force along with its hierarchy. How them aided Christopher NUNU and others to commit murder at Kingston Public Hospital by granting him free access because they had have this information beforehand that the men were coming there through special branch, that the men were coming there to kill this prisoner, although the prisoner carousing, and they did nothing to stop them. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 2 of 5. Yeah, the police that TS spoke on them thing was one of Amos police. Can police tell me on them thing about everything? I want Amos police on them thing there.
But here the worst thing about the situation now, my brother.
Yeah.
Man, them wants to be a bun me out, them.
Because them collect the money, collect the money.
Yeah, the man them say me a fool, brethren. Only find coke and carry the man, me a idiot, and make man rich. And I say, what you talk about? Me say, I'm not find a cocaine. When me carry go a lab, then say, a baking soda in a brother.
Them switch it, and true start now, if you did.
Like me say, I never taste it, because I don't put them things on my tongue. But the other police will taste it in more work. You see me say?
Yeah, man, yeah, because in the done give the approval just like Buju Band and say a coke. Because them are the experience, Yeah, man. And I saw them say, and I saw on them decide say, boy, you for dead.
Yeah, me go a lab and the man them say a baking soda, so I never really follow that up again. Me just move on. You see me say?
So I wish why you didn't make nice about the case and them thing there. And I still call them say in
a station, yeah, but the thing about
them say in a station you start call police name and I say, oh, them thief and them collect them switch a coke and collect money. Because them still money do you for collect money like case.
Yeah, me lick out pan it at one point, because me I say, me talk back to the police and me say, you sure? So the man say, yeah man, I'm sure. So me I say, oh, go on. So me lick out pan the thing, but Chris, let me tell you something, yeah, man. The police they were shot me still. I don't know. I don't know what to say about him, but you know, I have asked him the question on more than one occasion, like, brother, what really happened? You know, I mean, when it just happened, man. Even after that, and he was saying that, boy, I be a crying thing, you know, no. You know what I mean?
Why?
Because them had to get counseling fee and all other things. Because he must say, boy, ninja. He must say, boy, I don't know. Even though he not give me an explanation what happened, you know. Him just no know. You get me?
And for him shoot you as a name brand police and not come outside, something fishy, man.
Yeah, but I mean,
hey, look here, when you're a name brand police and police shot you, there's always consequences. No guy can shoot you. You understand?
But brother, Chris, let me tell you something, Chris. Who business about whether you're a name brand police or not when people shot you? Nobody business about you when you get shot.
No, that's how it used to be. Hey, look here, it all depends. That's why I tell you. If you don't work with a man like John Gaz and them thing, him that the police would have gone. Him from the man and him shoot you and them thing, him gone past suspension from that day, and him would have charged to discharge him firearm. They would have charged him
I remember K.O. Bennett was the one who did the report, and K.O. was saying it was him ruled it as accident, so that was it. You know what I mean? And I never think about it anymore than that. I say, yeah, accident, we just call it accident, I will move on from it, because I'm the type of man who love to move on from things, you know. Because I can remember when I got shot, I went to KPH. Chris, me I tell you now, I tell myself like that still, you know.
Yeah, so describe, you say when you get shot, you know, see part of your belly and all them things there.
Yeah, and you see, you know, you look and you see the hole and you see flesh come out and thing, and I feel like I'm cutting a two. I mean, no, M16 rifle shot me because I see the muzzle pull back through the curtain. So either
shot you.
The thing is, there was a doorway right in front of me, but there was a curtain at the door where I was standing. And then I heard the explosion and it blew me back right across the room. So when I flew across the room and my back slammed against the wall and I fell to the ground and I looked straight ahead of me, I see the M16 rifle pulled back through the curtain, to the side of the curtain. So I said, me curse a bad one, and I said, yo ninja, you shot me, then. And next thing I look, me see bolt gun run gun like thief on the right side. There was a door to the right, to the exiting blast guard, run guard. So I said to myself, Chris, listen now, I'm not going to die inside a year, you know, because me try to stand up 3 times and nothing now go on for that. So I decided that I was going to crawl out of the building. To go help myself, and I start crawl, because I say, you know, if I'm going to die, I'm going to try. You know what I mean? Because me not see no police. And when I try crawl out of the building, there were 2 civilians who took out of the house, run back into the house. And them say, who get shot, but I never trust them, because there were 2 suspects that we came for. So me pull up my gun and say, yeah, what do I do? Because I decided my mind say, me now make them kill me inside here, me I carry them with me, you know. And they said to me, no, but Sarge, come Sarge, man, I can carry you outside, man, you get shot, come and carry you outside. And let me tell you something, Chris, when the 2 men picked me up, we just allow them to help me, because I say anything or anything. When the man in carry, it was a big yard, you know, when they went out inside the yard, not even one police inside, you know, brother. Every man run gone, you know. When I reached outside of the gate on the street and Guava Road, that is where I saw police hiding behind motor vehicle. And the guys them were shouting, yo, the Sarge get shot. And that time no love run came where we were and then put me in a car and said, hospital thing. You understand? And even when we were going to the hospital, the car crashed in a tree. Accident in a 3 mile, fling me off of the seat, you know, brother. You know what I mean? But this is what it is, Chris. We went to the hospital and I remember Roden asked me if I ever make it, you know? And I said to Roden, listen, ninja kill me still, you know. But I just say go, you know what I mean? I remember Roden start crying, Grant start crying and everybody, and man him said they not leave me and all of these things. But it's a say go, man.
But listen to all them things. You see, if you had follow what I have imparted to you guys, you know, that when you go out on radio, tell police. You make police know, say if you shoot me, I go shoot you back. Cause if I mean, say him dead though, you know though.
No, but don't like I said to you how it happened, you know. You couldn't shoot him back, you know. Not even you couldn't shoot him back. Because when a 16 blow you, when a 16 lick you at close range to you like about 3 feet away from it, 2
No, me not talk about that. So what happened then time when them carry you outside there and you never did see him when them carry you out there?
No!
You know, so for them shooting, you never see him during that.
See him again. Alright. When I was at the hospital in the emergency room, I know Ninja came there and then I hear Cowboy say, yo, you shot him man.
Wait, let me ask you. So when them come in the emergency room, you did have your gun?
No, they remember once you were on the table, no, they were taking one from police.
I kill him. Kill him. That's why I asked if you did have your gun in there, you understand? Because you know some would do it. Yeah, man, would kill him, man. You understand?
Police
are supposed to shoot you as a police.
I mean, me in the hospital room, I make peace with myself still, because me tell myself I eat this still. Now, not lie, me tell myself I eat this. Because an M16 rifle fly through you like that. Through your grind area, right through my grind area, but I said done.
Yeah.
That's supposed to bust up all my artery and thing. That is what me I tell myself. And though me I feel all of my lower body feel numb, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like the part that your body don't exist.
Yeah, I saw it feel like the part that my body don't exist from me waist down. You know what I mean?
Why? You know, I'm glad say, you know, and you so like funny. You know, most
but
people.
Chris,
you know,
let me tell you something, Chris. Remember something like me, like I was saying to you before. Who cares about when policemen get shot? Because remember that I was shot in 2005, you know, Chris, and the culprit was held, you know, and the man him collect money and got him.
That's a where done a name from where name again what bloody uncle name again? Him dead too and them thing. Where name again? Buffy. Yeah. Buffy nephew did shoot you. And you and him grew up together.
Yeah, and I've seen him here in Kingston 13 there. So them come from up at Spade Corner, we come from no one else road there, so Buttons Road side. So everybody in the area knew me. You understand? Yes. But let me tell you something. When him get held, you know, the last time, matter of fact, 3 times him get held in custody and released, you know.
Yeah, and police, me hear that heard is a police collect money in a case where you get shot with police shooting.
And then this is the worst thing what they do, Chris. Remember, you know, one of the relatives called me, you know, because remember we well known, everybody know me, we know everybody. Someone called me and I said, Blake, the dog in a jail, you know. What me can do to help him? So I tell the man, say, yo, me call you about that. You understand?
Yeah.
The man called me back 2 days later and said to me, Father Blake, Mr. Evans, the youth called me. And that everybody at Kingston 13 called me Evans.
Yes.
Mr. Evans. Because I that them know me as Upper Walton. So they call me Mr. Evans. Yeah. The man said, Mr. Evans, no worry, you know, the dog out in a piece of food run. See it? You see, by the time I went to Jamaica, I was in America, and I went to Jamaica like a month later. And when me go to Jamaica, a sergeant could have come to me and say, Blake, you know, so the man him say, the boy get hold of a shot, you know that? I say, yeah man, the boy get hold, what happened? In the charge. The man said, no man, him release the boy. The man him not spread rumors, say, yo, me collect money and release the man done. So you saw the man him do the man him collect money, you know, sell the case and release the man that shot police, you know. And then him talk, say, me collect money and say me not interested in the case. I remember, you know, I was not the only complainant. It was Bisic and there was the other guy, what name?
You thought Nine Finger Beckford.
He was Beckford too, so there was 2 other complainants in the case. So they were. So how come the case could have continued without me? Because they were complainants too. They were shot at 2. Do you understand me? So about me alone to make the case true. So if you look into that, if you have sense, so what would I have to do with that?
I understand.
The man them spend the things and me collect money. I release the man. I the rumor them spread that time. At the big wig them collect money. Cause let me tell you something. No, the small man collect money and look at the boy. I have to somebody in charge of that.
So at the time Buffy never did dead yet.
Buffy did dead already, man.
Oh.
Buffy did dead already, man. Buffy did shortly after me get shot, you know. Not too long after me get shot, you know. Because enough man of the era never like enough man of the era never like the idea, so them shot me either. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Because enough man I say I fool with police, you know what I mean?
Because you're born and grow in the community.
Yeah. Grow in the community, you see me? And then nobody in the community can come talk to me and illegal up there with nobody. You get me I say that? But yet still, Them had it at internal affairs. Remember them brought me up and interviewed me. Then say me I run gang a wall time, brother.
Yeah, man, remember the time.
Because this is what they're doing, Chris. Them find some lies and put on your file for you to stop you from get promoted.
Yeah. Well, look here. Remember, say I have been even the same thing, you know. Remember this boy, you know, Kevin Morris, where me and him grew up together. I used to live at Galloway Road, and the whole of them at Galloway Road and Petua Road. Them come from Jungle and Jonestown, and you know them have to run from this and them others them move, cause them family are corals. And I see him think I pretty much the same thing them they do with me and them thing them. Because even when this boy one night this boy when named Danksman, me and him grew up, you know, Ori and Eddie, Danksman and all of them me and him grew up together. Even the night when Danksman dead, you know. You understand? The people them, you know, remember I say with the night when Danksman dead, you know, and me and Bobby come on the scene. I people them see him on, you know, people them that's why I say that's something dangerous. The people them see him on, you know, them say, you know. Say I me execute Danksman, you know, I make them take and block our road, you know. Yeah, and guess what them say? Them say me use Danksman gun and me use the police gun and kill Danksman, and then me fire Danksman gun. You understand? Yeah, man, you think them easy.
Man. And you see the thing about it, they are so convincing, you know. And this is the fact about it now. You see, whenever police have a shoot in the areas, when the people them come out, the politicians them know what are going to, you know, because them help instigate the thing to, you know. And they are the ones most of the time who force certain investigation to go on and force certain things for police even charge to. Even when the story in the gossip. Yeah, unwritten judgment from police. That is how they operate and tell lie from police all the time. Because I've been through it already. You know, you see the same yard they get shot, you know?
Yeah.
The same yard, a month before, like not even a month before I went into that yard.
You know what? You know what? Send a boy for the same yard. They never did know a boy in that yard.
Then Chris, boy, you think the boy I'm sending the departure lounge, you know, I feel brother them save my life, you know?
Cause
and them pick me up, you know? But them tell one bag of lies, said me hold on for man and shoot man, and nothing never like a big shootout where we couldn't see in the dark and be a buzz of flash, you see? And them claim to say me hold on for man and execute man, you know, that is how people are all the time, you know?
Yeah, man.
Even claiming the front page of the Star.
Me tell the people already, I said these people they are trained from birth, man, for tell life on police.
Trust me, that. Everybody. But this is the thing, you know. Notice this. Observation. Number one. When the CVM and the TVJ company seen 1 million people so them see what I'm done.
Yes.
1 million people contact all them see the police shot the man and then see the police this and see the police that and the man did a cook and one bag of story. And listen, how many of these people come and CVM and TVJ come chat off their mouth? How many of them give a statement to B-side or Indicom? How many of them? Probably
no, man,
one or none.
Look here, let me tell you something now. And a good thing that you have mentioned that. You see the reason why we have the reason why the police force is like this where it's at right now. It's because I mean like these are the detectives, you know. That drive fear in the heart of criminal, you know. Them man never play, you know. You understand? The real
criminal for fear police, you know. Let me tell you something.
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you something. You know how me control Seaview Gardens, Callalubed and Riverton? I fear them, fear me. Because they know
criminal man.
So what they used to do, you know, when I was at Seaview Gardens, they used to send people to watch the station to find out if Blake can work, you know. So if Blake now work, them know them can venture out. But once Blake out, they not come a road because them know Blake ever roam the street. Because as a detective, you know, brother, and this is what we are failing at now, you know. As a detective, a real hardcore detective, you know, you have to know at what time the crimes them happen in your area. You have to know your area.
Yes.
You have to know every criminal in your area. You have to know the thief them, the house broker them, the rapist them, the shooter them, the robber them, the car thief them. You have to know every single criminal what they are capable of in your community. So once a car is stolen or once a man house is broke, you know who figure look for as a detective. You know the time when them commit themselves. So you make sure you patrol those times.
Well, you have to understand that that's why they make the detective impotent. That's why
Yes.
that's why you are the last set of name brand detective, you know. Them not have that again, you know. So that's why
They
the
don't have
criminal
that
them can
again.
roam the streets, so them can them know so there's nobody that they're tracking them.
Because
You understand?
right now, even the younger police them at the station them, the younger police at the station them, there's nobody even at the station to help the young police them again to teach them how to do the work. Because they don't know themselves.
Well, it's a hustling thing now, you know. Remember, say man in the giant work because they want a job. They want to pay. And them going out and most of them are thief.
You see what you said, Chris? Them tear up the detective, them try to kill the detective. Because guess
No,
what?
man.
The first thing them start, detective not supposed to carry a rifle. Detective not supposed to this, detective not supposed to do that.
Oh, that
Detective not for patrol. They say
that.
brother, them say detective not for patrolling.
Who said Owen Ellington said that?
That yes, but
Then
who know the criminals them? Who know the criminals?
When detective man, then Owen.
So if detective not for patrol, who have a hold on for the criminal them?
All right. So, and who's nephew commissioner of police now? No, him nephew.
Of him nephew.
All right. Then that for sure says a criminal institute, is a criminal organization. I don't know police force because a man who dismantled the police force. Remember saying Owen Ellington, you know, he's the one that started to dismantle the police force along with Colonel Trevor Macmillan. You know?
Yes.
Yes, because the man is a criminal. Owen Ellington is a criminal, you know. He's a criminal-minded person, you know.
Put so much pressure on detectives.
All right, Virgin, look here. Let me tell you this, in case you do not know. You see the reason why them get rid of Owen. All right, if you look, all right, right now still, you know. You see when you talk about name brand police, you talk about a man named Tom Levine. Tom Levine, him kill over. You ever meet Tom Levine at police?
I never met him in person. I heard about him.
Oh, you know, say he my baddest police ever in a police force though.
How you say?
That the man kill over 160 man. The only two police can come anywhere close to him at Trinity and Ling. Nobody else. Them when me a little boy and them thing there Jones so them man they have all 7 funeral at Mapen Cemetery on a Sunday. The reason why them get rid of Ling, you know, is because you know like say the one who say them label Ling selling a labor right police. A PMP get rid of him, you know, Owen Ellington and Macmillan, you know, because them selling a bad mind too, you know. Because them selling Ling kill him Ling apart from Tom Levine and Trinity, and Ling kill him most criminal in Jamaica, and most of them are PMP them, you know, from Jonestown and Jungle where me come from. That's why them get rid of Ling. Why you think them get rid of Bigger Ford?
Because even when I was working still, when I was working,
the reason why them get rid of Bigger Ford, because Bigger Ford are PMPs that everybody knows a Bigger Ford are PMP.
Yeah, well, everybody knows about PMP now, because Bigger Ford are on TV, I didn't think he might hide it.
Yes, but that's why they get rid of Ling.
But let me tell you something, Dan. And this is how I view the thing politically when you're a police officer. I never get myself involved into politics because I was a police officer. And I see that as a way of staying neutral. I don't want to get myself attached to no side of the fence. So that means that I can do my job without favor or affection, neutrally. That is how me pre my thing. That is how serious me take my police work. You understand me? When I was a police officer. And yet still, when you go in a PNP area, you are labor right when you do your work. When you go in a labor right area, you are PNP. That is what they always brand me as every time, every area. But you know what? I never pay it no mind because guess what? I know who I am. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean just do my work. You understand?
Well, when I was serving on them thing, I have I can't tell you this. I have never been shot at in any labor right community. I mean a Towile, Falcon, or Compound. Or in a Clinking Avenue or at them labor right place.
Well,
everywhere I've been shot at a PMP community.
Yo, lucky you, but the tell us there.
They ever shoot at you in a Towile?
Of course, more than once, all the time.
Well, I never experience.
I want you know, say Tower Avenue. When me come on a gunfire more than 10 times at Tower Avenue, and you're telling this a rifle, a AK, a rifle. You understand me?
So who in a Towile shoot for you?
Oh, me don't know who the night.
But normal things happen and people that tell you them thing that we used to drive through Towile as Unspear 4 that a range Land Rover. And nobody never shoot off of it.
Yeah, man, I'm sure.
Nobody.
Let's just say the first time he came under gunfire over Tower Avenue was in the gas crisis because they were the men from Tower Avenue were looting. There was a factory there. They were looting the factory. I mean, I tell you about
the toilet paper factory.
No, man, it was a factory on Diamond Avenue.
Diamond Road.
When you go up Diamond Road, when you reach that intersection, it was to the left. And they had like, because when we went in, the rice and cooking groceries was in there, food stuff. But this was middle day, me I tell you about. Police was under gunfire up there, and I was not even on duty, Chris. I was driving my private motor vehicle. I'm drive the vehicle up into Diamond Avenue and see. I saw some Hawkeye security officers running down the road from Diamond Avenue from the gunfire, and there was police officer trapped under gunfire, you know, brother. Right at the intersection there, and me drive my private vehicle, me alone, and come out of my private vehicle. I went to assist the police officers, and when I went there they were pinned down. And the young police had the M16 rifle and was not doing anything with the rifle. I would take the M16 rifle from the young police and jump in a coal pit and move towards the men and shoot out between me and him about 5 men in the gully right there, run back to Tower Avenue.
Well, I never explained. All of my years and them things that made up on the street, that's how no labor never shoot at
right. I came on a gunfire twice from Tower Avenue.
We never have no reason for even patrol for them community because them not a crime.
Let me ask you a question, Chris. Where were you when the gas crisis was going on?
I'm in America, man.
Alright. Let me tell you something. In the gas crisis, the most...
That's the gas crisis, man. The rapist boy from Waterhouse, what name the boy named Juby. So me kill soldier and them thing. I'm telling me in America.
Yeah, man. You see, so the gas crisis, you know which areas was acting up, Chris?
Who?
You know which areas were acting up?
It was all of them, man.
No.
I remember out of white lane would get shot in them on.
Yeah, man, would get shot. Listen, I was there and would get shot, and I was behind when would get shot. You understand? I was in front. I wasn't behind. I was in front when Wood get shot. Wood got shot in a white lane, right? A secure car. So we enter the lane and Wood get shot. But remember, police shot Wood,
The police shot Wood?
You never know that.
No, remember something? I was I didn't know that something was going to happen, because of the thing on the street from the people them. You understand?
Listen, Wood was shot in an M16 rifle, broke him hand 3 places. It was a shootout, yes, but I was in front. I was at the front in a Mackay. I was at the front in a Mackay. Would get shot run at the back.
So police
man behind would shot
gunman shoot him.
Yes, I'm gonna gunman shot with my head.
I wasn't there with them.
Me not even gonna say I would, who shot Wood. I was saying. It's an M16 rifle shot Wood and broke his hand 3 places. And he can't tell you that. You understand me? He never
tell me say a police shoot him and them thing there.
No, police shoot him.
Because he tell me say out a white lane him get shot.
A white lane, let me tell you, right a secure car, the little lane, it's a white lane. We go head up the lane. I was in front and me and Mackay them was there. And Wood them came to assist us. You understand?
Yeah.
And then Wood get shot. Behind us, Wood get shot.
Alright. What still so when most of the police them were like you join the police force and things start get worse, worse the police, because
when things
before you join the police force, when we involved in a shooting back then, like we talking about Tom Levine, Trinity and Isaiah Lang, Bigger Ford, Tony with and Dadrick and we're dead. Back then, when involved in a shooting, your name never go in a diary entry, All them put us the police in there. If I have 1 police and 10 gunmen is in a shootout, 10 men and the police. That's how it used to be written,
Okay.
Alright. This you have to understand, how the PMP destroy the police force, It's the PMP, along with Owen Ellington and Colonel Trevor Macmillan. They are the one that changed that. and make it mandatory now for your regulation, because this is it now. I'm sure you're still there now. You understand? You see, before then, 9 out of 10 99% of the time, police would not be charged. They couldn't arrest and charge you for murder, because you know. You see, the people them get statement as just like when you say a million of them. So when you involve in you go on a raid or anything and a shooting happen, from them see man like me and Bobby there, and them know the other police them. Automatically, them are come out.
Let me say you and Bobby.
Yeah man, them are come out.
No, that is it. People are going to Blackwood and say you and Bobby do it. I have been through that. Them say Blake do it, even when I was nowhere close to there. Yeah,
so may I tell you how them do it now. So what they would have done now, so them get the, may I tell you how them come in with them thing there. That's why someone will end up charged with murder. So this is what they have done then. So they know, because you know they knew the police officers that were there. So what they have done, them give statement now, because them also say you know, because no other police for them gun not working on, the phone gun alone work.
Yes,
so they would have said now, so boy, them see you fire your gun and you this and. Cause you don't know them look on the man whether you know I know which part him get shot, so them give statement. When the body stick and the rip and the statement and everything go DPP. The police now when them appoint say you kill the man.
And then the body sticks now match it.
Yeah, alright, the body it match a different gun. So you know what I'm saying?
Match a different gun.
A lie when I tell, so you can't charge the police. And so now that's how them coming now with the regulation number. Rank, name, and your gun in a diary. Because them know so them have criminal police in a station. And that's why enough police charge murder after that. Because them know who fire them gun. So that's how I'm telling you, so the only thing the PMP know for doing is all for protect criminal. These are policies before, you know. That's why police couldn't charge, you know. That was left to us by the British and the Jamaica Labour Party. Edward Seaga. You see them, you see Tom Levine, Trinity, Leng, Biggerford, Tony with Calvin Benjamin, Dadrick, and why take them police in the watch? Because Edward Seaga love police. You, as a policeman and them thing, when they come on to fighting crime, him defend you. And I like how the PMP do everything for sending you to prison. Like how the PMP have Jamaican for Justice. You didn't know so Jamaican for Justice is a part of the PMP criminal organization.
Well, I don't have knowledge of it, but
alright, so you don't look on the logo and see the logo itself. Are the same fist like the PMP? You know what look on it?
Don't even pay attention to that. You know?
but them pursue you relentlessly.
But you see, Jamaica for Justice is misleading the Jamaican people.
No man, we don't talk about that man. May I ask if them never pursue you relentlessly when you're in the police force?
Yeah, that me I tried to tell you a while ago. I was telling you that them pursue. This is what Jamaica for Justice did to me. You know? Jamaica for Justice put my name in the gleaner. You hear me? Put my name in the gleaner, you know. Put my name in the gleaner that they needed the assistance of the public in locating my whereabouts. Remember that I'm a serving policeman. All you have to do is send a document to the Commissioner of Police, right? Another thing, this is what Jamaica for Justice did to me. We had a shooting, a fatal shooting from 2002 where one carousing murder police youth in a Brook Valley, and he was sent to the departure loans after that.
Yes,
and this is what they did, you know. This is what they did.
Chambers get shot, and the police and the boy them use the AK and lick out the policeman man AK.
I went back there the following day and get rid of one of the cockroaches there.
Yeah, we'll have to different themselves as police.
This is what the Jamaica for Justice did, because I was shot. I got shot and I couldn't attend court. I got shot and I couldn't attend court because you know I couldn't walk for 3 years. And Jamaica for Justice went to the coroner's court. And what they did at the coroner's court was force the coroner's court to charge me for murder. Because they were saying that they could not get my evidence because I was sick, so therefore they charged me for murder.
Them charged you with murder?
Yes, so I was charged on a coroner's warrant for murder because they said that somebody was criminally responsible for the shooting. And when we went to court, listen, when we went to court on a warrant, there's no investigator in cases like this. You have to wonder what is going on, what is even happening. There's no investigator, you know. There's only a warrant sent to the circuit court. When we went to court, the prosecutor said she had no evidence to start a prosecution against us. But yet we are here we are, me and Massey. Here we are before the circuit court on a coroner's warrant charged for murder without any evidence whatsoever. There's no statement on the file from a witness that is saying anything different from what we were saying. So the Crown Counsel was saying that she cannot prosecute this case because she has no evidence against the police officers. So I told my attorney, listen, we're not going to throw the matter here. Let us go to trial. Let us get jury. So that jury was in panel and we went there and they plead us and we said not guilty. And the prosecutor told the judge and the jury that they cannot proceed with the case because they had no evidence on the side of the prosecution. There's no statement to say the policemen did not defend their lives. There's no statement to say otherwise from what we were saying. So the matter was thrown out, and then Jamaica for Justice took it to the papers and took it to the news media, and even alleged that I put a pillow over the man's head and murdered the man. And I remember Hewitt was the one in charge, and Hewitt was a Blake, we need to sue them.
So why you never sued them? Why you never sued them?
I never really, I never really have no time for that. You get what I mean? I say, come and say, you know what, I'm free. Don't worry about them. That is what the influence that Jamaica for Justice has on courts. Why is Jamaica for Justice before the coroner's court? Why are they in the coroner in the courtroom messing around the system?
All right. So you never know that their job is there to protect criminals.
I know that they did the well, and you think I have not come to that realization even from that very day.
A majority of criminals in the Kingston metropolitan area. What kind of community they are? Me born and grow in a PMP community here, Jonestown, concrete jungle. Me born at Oxford Street in a Jonestown. Me born in a Jubilee. Me born in a Jonestown and grew a Jonestown and concrete jungle. PMP community. And the only thing that they have done is them know how to create criminals and brainwash and destroy people's life. For you, for eat other people.
But my experience different from yours, Chris, because when me at work, me been through the same thing in all of the communities. Them PNP community are the same thing, Labour community are the same thing. Then go on with. But the Labour community are the only community who try take me life. Then went to Tivoli Gardens and tried to Dudus.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 2 of this 5-part series where this brave, the last set of name brand police officer to serve in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. As detective, the detectives in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, they're impotent. They're like bank tellers. They go to school, work in white shirts. These police officers don't do no police work. Them just sit down in the office in the AC. Man, stop wash them face, use tweezer, take picture out of them face and all kind of thing. And man, police at Jamaica use a lip glass like them that America would call. Yeah, me I tell you, I just saw it go. So we applaud Detective Corporal Blake. Yeah, man, for come and share some, share valuable information with us. Although we were there at Unsby together. Yeah, man, bad police. Yeah, man, Detective Corporal Blake is a departure along specialist. Yes, he has been there and done that. Yeah, man, and that he was shot twice. Yeah, man, we're glad we never getting a shot. I'll give God thanks, man. So, yeah, part 3 will be coming up shortly. So, you watch, you listen, and you decide.